It's Gina and Amanda with Chit Chat Griddle, and today we're going to be making shrimp and tofu Pai. Hi guys, it's Gina and Amanda, and today we're going to be making Pai, shrimp and tofu Pai. Yay! Let's get started. All right. So what I'm going to do first is cook up my vegetables, and then add my meat. And add my noodles, okay? So, yes. Actually, I want to roast my peanuts, right? I really want to roast my peanuts. Peanuts are very, very Pai.
They add a really nice crunchy elements.
Right, so I want to roast them up a little bit. And I like a lot of peanuts in mine. I should have chopped them. I wonder if I can chop here. No? Nah, we're not gonna. We're gonna leave them whole.
Yeah.
All right. So I have a how much is this? 16-ounce container of peanuts. Okay. And I'm gonna roast these up so they're nice and toasty. If you have peanut allergies, obviously you would skip out on the peanuts. So as these are cooking and roasting over here, I am going to cook up my onions and carrots. Let me lay down some oil.
How hot's the grill?
My grill is medium high.
Medium
High. All right, I'm going to turn this side off so that when I want to save things, I can just put it over here, so it's just a warmer. I want these a little smaller. Alright, this is a scraper, and you can get the really good scrapers that have the knife on the end.
Yeah.
And you can
scraper and a chopper.
Chop it up right here, baby.
I love the smell of cooking onions.
Right?
It smells so good.
I love onions and garlic. And sometimes the bok choy takes a little while, so I'm going to put those over here. I'm saving my sprouts to last because I want them to be crunchy. I don't want them to get soggy, so I'm going to put those on a little bit later. I'm just going to put on my bok choy right now. Bok choy takes a little bit.
I don't think I've ever cooked with bok choy before.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not traditionally a Pai thing. We just, in our family, like to add it to the Pai. It's not typically used in Pai.
I feel like you can put whatever you want.
You can put whatever you want.
You make it your own. You put what you like.
Right? This is Chit Chat Griddle Pai. All right.
Looking good.
I'm going to toast up these. How are our peanuts doing? Well, they're getting nice and brown. Ooh. You want to give me that container? You think it's ready?
Looks good. Yeah, I think those are good.
All right.
Here they come. You got it? Ooh, roasted peanuts.
I'm going to add these back on at the end. I just wanted to roast them a little.
Kind of works the flavor out.
Yeah. If you end up getting a Blackstone, it's really convenient to have this surround table. It's really convenient.
It really makes it nice.
It really makes a difference.
Place to store all your stuff.
Alright, and I'm going to add some water. Can you give me the little dome over there? I'm going to steam up some of this. There's a dome right there, Amanda. Yeah. Or can you get over there?
Yep.
Alright, so I am going to move my bok choy over here. This is my hot zone, and over here is my cold zone. So I am going to add my bok choy over here, and I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to steam up a little water and my dome.
That's awesome.
Isn't that good?
It's a little lid.
Yeah.
You can literally do everything on this thing.
Right? You can do everything.
I know. If you had a bigger dome, you could make cookies.
Now I'm adding chestnuts. We'll add the recipe.
Love water chestnuts. Water chestnuts will absorb whatever kind of flavor you put on it.
Alright. So this burner over here is off, and this one's on medium high. Oh,
yeah.
Alright. So now I want to start cooking up my meat. Oh, my garlic. Garlic burns fast, so I'm going to wait on the garlic. I want to cook up some shrimp. We have a lot of shrimp. And it's frozen. So it's going to create its own steam. Watch out, Amanda. Watch out, Amanda. We're getting hot here.
I'm getting a steamed facial over here.
You're getting a shrimp facial.
A shrimp facial. That's like a dream come true.
Right? Alright, so I have some shrimp going on there, and now I'm gonna let this moisture drip off the back. Okay, and then I wanna, this is firm tofu. It's already put, it was sauteing in some sauteed pad thai sauce. So I don't want to move this around too much because I don't want to break up the pad thai. I mean the tofu. I want to make sure it stays in solid cubes, so I'm not going to mess with it too much. Okay. And then over here, I'm going to...
How's that shrimp looking?
This is pre-cooked shrimp. You know, you can use raw shrimp if you want, but we just thought this was easier. And plus they had a sale at the store, so we just got some of these. Alright, let's work this in. Doesn't that look good, Amanda?
That looks so good. Pretty colors.
So good. Alright, and I don't want to overcook it, so I'm going to bring it to the side a little bit while I cook the meat.
Some tofu.
I think I'm ready to add some... Whoa, that was a hot dish. That is hot.
Yeah, it gets a little hot sitting here next to it, huh?
Yeah. Alright. And we're gonna cook up some of that.
Garlic.
Is my burner still on? I think it is.
It's looking good down there?
I can't see very well. Let's see. And incorporate it in. I think it's safe to add our bean sprouts. I mean our peanuts.
Those are peanuts.
And our green onions. And I'm holding off on the noodles.
Those
and
take only moments to cook.
Yeah, those are pre-packaged from
moments.
Costco. You can use fettuccine noodles. They actually have pad thai noodles. Those were noodles I got from Costco. Some people even use spaghetti noodles. Whatever's in your cupboard.
Whatever you got.
Alright.
Oh, that's good.
Doesn't that look good? Alright, the reason there's so much is because, like we always say, we're feeding 2 families. So, how many people in your family? 5?
We have 5.
7
people.
Sometimes 8 if we include Mike's brother.
Mm-hmm.
So this is enough for 8 people and some leftovers.
Yep. Gotta have the leftovers.
Alright, look at these. They're looking good. I like these to get a little crispy.
Yeah, tofu needs to be crispy.
Alright, I'm going to start incorporating our shrimp. I'm going to hold off on the tofu because I want it to get a little crunchy, and it is delicate. So I'm going to hold off on the tofu. I will incorporate that in just a bit. This looks heavenly.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, I want to add, at this point I'm going to add a little fish sauce, but I'm going to hold off on the tofu. I'm adding, really, I'm going to add a little fish sauce, and I'm going to add a little bit of rice vinegar.
Rice vinegar. Not seasoned.
And
Ooh, I can smell
pad
that.
thai is known to have lime.
Lime.
Some people even put cilantro, but I'm not doing that. Alright, so I'm gonna do a little. We have a lot here, so I'm gonna make sure I get a lot of lime in there. This is 3/4 of a lime. All right. All right. So let's see. Oh, these guys are looking good.
They're getting crunchy.
It might be time to add them in.
Ooh, I can see that one.
I'm gonna put it over here, and I'm gonna start my noodles a little bit over here. Okay. These are pre-packaged noodles.
Did you just pull them out of the package and
You just
drain
pull
them?
them
You don't
out,
have to
drain
cook them or
them.
anything?
That is it. These are 5-minute noodles,
Nice.
and they're good for all sorts of recipes. You get them at Costco in a box. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and start some oh, these are getting crunchy now. They're almost ready to get over there. We love sprouts. We don't like to overcook our sprouts, though, and we add a lot of sprouts.
Sprouts are good.
All right.
You have a lot of different textures.
Yes. So
In this.
this is our crunchy shrimp and tofu.
Look at that looks.
Crunchy. All right.
That's
So let
so
me
good.
cook up some of this. Oh my word! This looks so good. All right, I'm gonna start incorporating it. All right, throw this all the way around. Now I'm gonna add my pad thai sauce. Holy cow, this looks so good, man.
It does look so good. That is so much
All right,
food.
so this is the brand I'm using.
Thai kitchen pad thai
And then I'm
sauce.
also, because we have so much, I'm going to add this. We did a taste test already, and it's amazing. So remember, anything sweet is going to cook up fast, so you save it to the end. We're going to use the whole jar of this baby.
Yummy.
We like it saucy around here. We're almost done. All right?
This is super fast.
So fast. This is...
Everything is faster when you cook it on the griddle.
It's like amazing, especially if you have a big party you're serving.
And you don't have all those dishes to do.
It's so...
Yeah, your house doesn't get super hot.
It doesn't get stinky.
It doesn't get stinky.
Oh my God, Amanda, this looks so amazing.
Whoa.
It's so saucy, I got a little sauce.
You got sauce.
I got sauce.
Might have been a little sauce last night, eh? Hmm?
Yeah, a little too much vodka in my cup. So some of you might be wondering why we're not wearing masks. Amanda and I are next door neighbors, and we do everything together. And so we feel like we're family. We practically live with each other. So
Yeah.
we consider each other part of our household. So that's why we don't wear masks with each other, because we're together 24/7, and we make sure that we're all safe.
Since before the corona even hit, so
Yeah, so
we're
like sisters, so we don't feel like we need to mask up for each other.
Yep.
Okay? This is so amazing.
Have you made this before?
This is my first time making
I was
it
just
on
gonna
a
say,
griddle.
on a
I've
griddle?
made it before. I made
look
pork.
like a professional
I
pad thai maker.
I made chicken pad thai one
Ooh.
time, a long time ago.
That would be good.
And I used crushed peanuts that time.
Okay.
But this one, I think
This is one of my husband's favorites.
I think they are going to be so happy with this. What do you think?
I think that they're going to love it. And if they don't, it's more for us.
Right? Oh, baby, look at that.
Levi wants some too. Hi,
You
Levi.
want to get a close-up of this, Amanda?
I'm getting a close-up of the dog.
Look at that, everybody. Amazing.
So,
How long did that take? 15 minutes?
Maybe 15 minutes.
15 minutes? 20
Yeah.
most?
Tops.
That was so fast.
So fast.
All right, guys. So we're gonna bring it inside and put it in a fancy dish and give it a taste test.
Yep.
We'll be right back. Let's do our taste test.
Here we go. Pad Thai.
Shrimp and tofu pad thai. I hear it crunching. I hear it crunching. So
It
amazing.
is definitely crunchy. That is good.
Delicious,
That
right?
is really good.
All right, guys.
Good job.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.